Hello everyone! In this virtual lab, we're going to calculate the stress and the strain for the short, thin copper specimen. So let's select it. This is the short, thin copper specimen. And let's close the specimen tray. And we will stretch it. What is the load when the extension is equal to 10 millimeters? The answer is 26 newtons. Show that the strain produced at this extension is equal to 0.25. Well, from the definition of strain, the strain is equals to extension divided by the original length. So it's equals to 10 millimeters divided by 40 millimeters. So the strain is equals to 0.25. What is the stress? Well, yes, the stress is equals to the load divided by the area. At 10 millimeters extension, the load is equals to 26 newtons. So the stress is equals to 26 newtons divided by 1 millimeter square. So the answer is 26 megapascal.